got over here, we have these large shrimp, very simple large shrimp, and I like to make sure that I have as little shell as possible. So I take that off, and then what we do is we score them under their belly, just so they don't curl up on us when we're cooking it. Okay, very, very simple. Just gently, kind of open them up a little bit. Then I move to the next one. It's very, you're going to see it's actually really fast. You're not going to get enough video out of it, probably. Okay, so like that. This guy right here. So what I like to do is I like to season them up a little bit. And side, so make sure that they're all covered in the seasoning. Okay.
Walter, what did you season on this one?
It's a spice mixture.
Cajun?
Yeah, it's like a Cajun. It's paprika, mustard. Can't give you all the details now. It's paprika, mustard, thyme, salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic. Not too much else. Okay. Then what I do is I wrap them up, kind of like the old-fashioned pigs in the blanket. I wrap them up and I try to get as much of the shrimp covered by the wonton skin as possible, because we don't want them to dry up on us when we fry. The thing about them, these are called Firecracker shrimp. It's actually a Chinese tradition. For their New Year's, they fry these. Okay, what they fry them for? Basically, obviously, it looks like a firecracker a little bit, just because of the tail, And they fry them as their celebratory. This is a presentation thing. Everybody does their own thing, but over here we put on one side, and a little bit of sweet chili sauce over here. I told you it was a celebratory thing because, it's starting to spark up and stuff like that. So we have, this is a sriracha aioli. You have the recipe over there. It's very simple. It's the Vietnamese sauce with sriracha. Very simple. I have this at home. I put it in hot dogs. Right now we're putting it on our shrimp. It's a Vietnamese sauce that I mix with mayo. There's nothing really crazy, even though the dish might look a little more complicated. It's a lot less complicated than it really looks. So we put a little bit of that. Okay, that's it. And by now the shrimp are almost ready. Once the shrimp are fried, we just toss them with a little salt, and that's it.